Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be making slime, so let's get started. The items you will need are something to make it in. If you want it to be fluffy, you can use a little bit of shaving gel. I'm using purple paint to color it. You can leave it white if you want. And I'm using contact solution and baking soda. So let's get started. Okay, put your bowl out. And, oh wait, and you need glue. Yeah, and you'll need some glue. Okay, let's get started. First, you get your glue. You open it. And you pour in as much as you are going to make. I'm going to make this for my friend, Ashley. Okay, that's about as much as you need. Depends on how much you want. Then, you add the shaving cream. Yeah, and you'll also need a mixing tool. I forgot to say that, but yeah, you'll be needing a mixing tool. I think I'm gonna use a pencil, the back of it. Yeah. Okay, then you start mixing. Mix it till it's like, yeah. Mix it till like, I'm making videos. Mix it till like it's like creamy texture. Yeah. Put it in the fridge. Put it in the fridge. Okay. Anyway, so mix
Sorry for the interruption.
It's like creamy texture. Yeah, it has to be creamy. Creamy texture. Then, when you're done, when you're done mixing that, you're going to need your baking soda, and you're only going to need about a pinch, so I'm going to pour some out on your hand. Take like a pinch and you put it in. No, just a pinch at a time. Just put a pinch at a time. Only a pinch at a time, though. Start mixing it together.
Do you have this color paint?
Yeah, you start mixing it together after you added this. And you like put it on something to hold it on.
I can change color.
Okay. So I told my friend Ashley that I would make it purple for her. So I'm going to use my paint. Shake it up. And just...
Did you buy that paint?
It works, just that there's like something on it probably.
Use it like dye. Like get a little bit in there.
Okay. Ashley might not want a lot of it, so I'm just going to put a little bit at a time. Just mix that up.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, mix it up until like it's like the color that you want. You can add as much as you want. I think Ashley would want a light purple more than a dark purple like this. Yeah. So when you're done, with this, like that. Okay, you're gonna add some. Stop! Get away! Then you're gonna
She's a bully.
add Then you're gonna add some more. No, you're gonna add some contact solution, and then you're gonna mix. Starts forming. Okay, it starts turning into like slime kind of, but like add some more, keep on adding some. So it'll start forming really good. Yeah, it'll start turning into slime, but if it's too powdery, you need to add some more baking soda to it. Then you mix it more. Yeah, and it'll start forming better. Just need to make sure you add enough. Yeah, I think I need some more baking soda. And add some more. This. It'll start forming pretty good. As you can see, mine is almost unformed. Well, Ashley's is almost formed. I think I'm gonna keep on mixing now, but you just gotta make sure you add enough of the stuff that makes it work. See how it's like this? Probably need some more because it's like sticking to my hands a little bit. Even though I added a lot, that doesn't mean it's overactivated. It's not overactivated. That just makes it better. But that just means that it might get thicker. But that's good because it'll be more slime. Cause like, oh my gosh, they're sneaking up on the floor. Go. So keep on going and going and going and going. Yeah, and it starts to form. Yeah, I will do I'll show you how I play with it at the end. It's pretty good.